Host, welcome to our channel, Tourist Simon, where we're about to embark on an exciting journey of planning the perfect family vacation. In this video, we'll provide valuable tips and strategies to ensure your next family getaway is memorable and stress-free. Whether you dream of a beach escape, a city adventure, or a nature-filled retreat, we've got you covered. So, let's dive into the ultimate guide for crafting a fantastic family vacation. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. This means a lot to us and helps us continue. The first step in planning a remarkable family vacation is selecting the perfect destination. Here's how you can make the right choice. Start by determining your budget and travel expectations. Are you looking for a budget-friendly trip, a luxurious escape, or something in between? Consider your family's interests. Are they beach enthusiasts, city explorers, or nature lovers? It's crucial to find a destination that caters to everyone's desires. Think about convenience. If you have young kids or elderly family members, it's best to choose a destination that's easily accessible and not too far away. Research the destination thoroughly. Learn about the weather, local attractions, and activities by checking out travel websites, blogs, and social media. Now that you've chosen the destination, let's create the perfect itinerary for your family vacation. Start with the basics, including your arrival and departure times, budget, and trip duration. Research and list down activities and attractions that align with your family's interests and ages. Make sure your plan includes both group and individual experiences. Create a detailed schedule that accounts for activity durations, transportation, and meal breaks. Always leave room for spontaneity and relaxation. To avoid disappointments, pre-book tours and activities, especially for popular attractions with limited availability. This will help you structure your itinerary more effectively. Remember to stay flexible. Be prepared to adjust your plans due to unforeseen events like bad weather or illness to ensure everyone has an enjoyable time. Budgeting for your family vacation is essential to ensure a stress-free experience. Let's see how you can manage your vacation budget effectively. Start by determining your budget. Consider your income, savings, and other potential sources of funds. Begin saving for your trip once you've established your budget. Create a dedicated savings account or cut back on expenses in the months leading up to your vacation. Be financially savvy. Look for opportunities to save money by booking flights and accommodations in advance, using discounts, and taking advantage of free activities. Remember to factor in transportation costs. Depending on your chosen mode of travel, budget for gas, flights, or other transportation expenses. Track your spending while on vacation. Keep a record of expenses such as food, activities, and souvenirs to ensure you don't exceed your budget. Choosing the right accommodations plays a significant role in planning a successful family vacation. Here's how to make the perfect choice. Consider your budget when searching for accommodations. This will help you narrow down your options and avoid overspending. Think about location. Choose accommodations that are convenient for your preferred activities. Whether you're looking for a beachside resort, a city hotel, or a cozy countryside villa. Explore different accommodation types such as hotels, resorts, Airbnbs, camping, or villas. Match your choice to your family's size and comfort requirements. Don't forget all-inclusive resorts if you want a hassle-free experience, but keep in mind that they can be more expensive. Always read reviews from other families who have stayed at your chosen accommodations to gain valuable insights and avoid unpleasant surprises. Secure your accommodations by making reservations well in advance. Popular places can fill up quickly, especially during peak travel seasons, and booking early can save you money. The mode of transportation you choose can greatly impact your family vacation. Let's look at some transportation options. If you're planning a road trip or visiting a nearby destination, driving your car can be cost-effective and convenient. Flying is often the best choice for long-distance travel, but be sure to consider factors like flight times, layovers, and baggage policies. Trains offer a scenic and relaxed way to reach your destination, often with family-friendly services and amenities. For those interested in visiting multiple destinations, a cruise can provide a variety of activities, dining options, and entertainment. Depending on your destination, public transportation like buses, trams, and subways can be a convenient way to get around. In some cases, renting a vehicle at your destination may be the best choice, especially if you plan to explore beyond your accommodations. Packing and preparation tips. Create comprehensive packing lists for each family member, covering clothing, toiletries, medications, and travel essentials. Pack light by rolling clothing items and planning mix and match outfits to save space. Ensure you include weather-appropriate clothing and specific items for activities. Keep essential items like passports, tickets, and medications in your carry-on bags in case your checked luggage is delayed. Bring a basic family first aid kit with bandages, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. Don't forget non-perishable snacks and reusable water bottles. Consider bringing travel gadgets like tablets to keep kids entertained during travel and downtime. Don't forget chargers and power banks. Research the local laws, customs, and etiquette of your destination to ensure you respect the local culture. Think about travel insurance to cover unexpected events such as trip cancellations or medical emergencies. Ensure your home is secure before departing. Lock all doors and windows, set your security system, and ask a trusted neighbor or friend to collect mail and keep an eye on your property. Once you arrive at your destination, the focus shifts to maximizing fun and minimizing stress. Let's dive into some strategies for a memorable family vacation. Prioritize togetherness by planning shared experiences. Whether it's a day at the beach or a family hike, these moments create lasting memories. Enjoy family meals at local restaurants or with picnics. It's a great opportunity to savor local cuisine and discuss the day's adventures. Don't forget to capture your journey with photos to create lasting memories. Compile a travel album or a digital slideshow to remember your adventure. Maintain a positive attitude and adapt to unexpected challenges. It's these moments that often lead to memorable stories and bonding experiences. Designate downtime in your schedule. Allow time for rest, exploration, or spontaneous decisions. Ensure you share emergency contact information and establish a meeting point in case family members get separated during outings. Remember to stay hydrated and use sunscreen, especially in warm climates, to prevent discomfort or health issues. Keep safety a priority by teaching children basic safety rules for the destination, such as staying close in crowded places. The end of your family vacation doesn't mean the end of the experience. Keep the spirit alive with these post-trip tips. Unpack and reflect as a family when you return home. Reminisce about your favorite parts of the trip to extend the enjoyment. Create a memory keepsake by compiling photos and mementos from your trip into a family scrapbook or digital memory book. Please subscribe to our channel. We need your support so we can continue. Set up a travel fund for your next family adventure. It's a motivational tool to prepare for future trips. Use the experience of your latest family vacation to plan future trips. Discuss destinations and activities your family would like to explore in the coming years. In conclusion, planning a memorable family vacation involves a thoughtful consideration of various factors. From selecting the right destination to managing your budget, accommodations, transportation, packing, and preparation, your family vacation can become a cherished chapter in your family's story. Stay focused on creating wonderful memories and embrace the joy and adventures that come your way. We hope you found this ultimate guide helpful, and we wish you an amazing family vacation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travels and happy adventures!